Uh-oh. First startup. First startup. Peggy Bundy.
Mike, where you at?
Peggy Bundy. First startup. Oh, shit. Roundhead in the building. Roundhead know what he doing.
Phase one, baby. Phase one. Goddamn. More to come. More to come.
God damn it. First startup. First startup. Peggy Bundy. Redhead, fat ass. Okay, okay.
Progress has happened. Nice,
What you say, you gonna clip all these wires?
Get rid of that, man. I don't know why he even cut that, man.
Who? Shepard say, why in the fuck did he cut them wires?
That's stupid, man.
And by clarification, not me.
Not roundhead. Tall head.
I'll take care of it. All right, we need to get a battery tray in this car.
Yeah, so where you gonna put the battery at? You gonna put it in the back, front? That's the next thing, cause that's why I want to.
Yeah, we gonna do it in the front. I'm waiting on them to paint the fender wells.
Oh, okay. So that's why I ain't ground to the chassis, cause that can put a big factor in the cranking too. Yep. Yeah,
Okay, Peggy Bundy. She running. The tank down, but it's running. That's what I'm talking about. Fuel pump working.
Yeah. Feel like a running car now.
Yes, sir.
The weight is over.
Roundhead got it running. Shepard got it wired up. Oh, y'all know what's next. Waiting on that drive shaft, baby. We're gonna see if that motherfucker move.
Make some ruckus in the street. And I'm gonna leave everything loose so we can adjust the dang drive shaft.
Get the motor mount bolts in there. Man, Peggy the first one to fire up on the dance floor. The dance floor. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Put the right, proper size motor mount bolts in. He said them right there too thick. That's it. Toasters and two bets. Make sure you tell your mammy, tell your aunts. Peggy Bundy running.